These underbed storage containers are wife approved. She loves them. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the StorageLAB Underbed Storage Container for shoes, blankets, clothes, etc. I've taken it out of the box. This is how it comes. They simply just unfold, just like that, and you've got the cover here. All right, slide these panels in just like so. I'll give you two of these panels, and there's a pocket in the bottom. So slide those in. And now you get the longer panel. Place that there. And then on the end. And now what you've done is you've created your framework for your container. And they give you all of these as shoe dividers. The good thing about these little dividers is you go through and you create the compartments any size that you want. I just like this system with the panels that I can create compartments of any size that I want, as you can see. Once you've got everything packed away, simply zip it up. And now you're ready to store that under your bed or wherever. Let me also tell you that it came with 2 containers, so double your pleasure. And it does have a carrying handle. These underbed storage containers are wife approved. She loves them, and that's all I need to know. So if you're looking at these, I hope you found the video helpful.